Just finished 12th standard and thinking about PharmD? You're probably Googling best pharmacy college right now. But here's the truth. What looks good on website or on brochure may not be in the reality. In this video, I will help you figure out how to choose the right college so you don't regret your decision later. Hi everyone, welcome to the Just MedTalk. Every student post 12th standard are busy in deciding their careers. And if you're planning to pursue PharmD in India, one of the biggest decisions you will make is choosing the right college and university. Today, I'm going to walk you through the key things you should look at before selecting a pharmacy college so that you don't just get a degree but also the right learning, exposure and career opportunities. So first thing first, check the approvals. In India, PharmD is regulated by Pharmacy Council of India. Always ensure the college you are considering is PCI approved. Without it, your degree may not be valid for higher studies or job. And look for National Assessment and Accreditation Council or National Board of Accreditation sign that institution meets quality standards. Unlike other pharmacy programs, PharmD is clinical oriented. So the most important thing is the hospital attachment. The college must have, as per PCI norms, a 300 plus bedding teaching hospital. But beyond numbers, check if the hospital actually has a variety of specialties like internal medicine, ICU, neurology, neurosurgery, nephrology, pediatrics and cardiology and etc. This is where you do your clinical clerkship and internship in the final years. A hospital with active ward rounds with active participation from clinical pharmacists and a good interdisciplinary team will give a real exposure. To stand out or to become a very good clinical pharmacist, these are the essential virtues. So next, let's talk about faculty and mentorship. Do you have a really experienced clinical pharmacist, PharmD faculty and doctors involved in teaching? There are many colleges who have started PharmD recently will have either M.Pharm pharmacology or similar discipline as the teaching faculties. To teach clinical pharmacy, you should have a practicing clinical pharmacist. You also have to look for that the faculty members actively publishing research or involved in patient care activities. Good mentors can make a big difference in how confident you become in clinical practice. PharmD has the same curriculum across India, but how it's delivered matters the most. Does the college encourage active participation in ward rounds, case presentation, multidisciplinary journal clubs, etc.? Do the students get hands-on exposure to drug information services, pharmacovigilance, and patient counseling? Ask current or past students if the training is more than just a classroom teaching. PharmD graduates with research experience stand out. Check if the college provides opportunities like clinical research projects, conference presentation, both national and international, publication in index journal. This will also help if you're planning for higher studies or job prospects beyond India. Many students don't think about this until the end, but it's important. Does the college have tie-ups with hospitals, clinical research organizations, and pharmaceutical companies? Do they provide career guidance for jobs in clinical pharmacy, pharmacovigilance, or higher studies? Talk to the alumni of the college. Where are they working now? That's the best indicator of the college output. Some practical points too also matters. Location of the college. Is it accessible, safe, and affordable? PharmD is a long program which is 6 years, compare tuition fees and living costs. Infrastructure like library, labs, digital resources and hostel facilities can make your student life smoother. So there are some red flags for you to consider. Colleges that advertise aggressively but they don't have a real teaching hospital. Very high fees without proper facilities. No clinical exposure. If the learning is only classroom based, you will miss the essence of PharmD. Here is a quick recap. First, you have to think about PCI approval status. Next is whether the college has got strong teaching hospitals. Do you have experienced faculty? College give you enough clinical exposure? Does it provide you research opportunities? Support on good placement and also practical considerations. Choosing the right college can shape your entire career as a clinical pharmacist. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Just MedTalk, where we simplify pharmacy and healthcare topics to you. And if you have any questions about PharmD or pharmacy career choices, drop them in the comments below. I would love to cover them in future videos.